So basically I arrive into the office, I write some code for one of the projects that we are working on. After that we have a stand-up as a team. After stand-up a few of us go upstairs, grab coffee and just catch up a bit. We sometimes do code reviews for one another in the team, and from time to time when we have some production or live issues, we also have to investigate and try to help solve them as soon as possible.
Collaboration here is great. We work in cross-functional teams, so we get to collaborate with other members of other teams on a daily basis.
Well, my day-to-day task is pretty much on the back-end side, so we write the APIs, the application programming interfaces using Java, and I also support minor live issues here and there.
The tech stack is really interesting. We work with cloud systems and Docker, as well as try to use the latest technologies. We have been starting to build microservices for the last year and a half, which has been really good and makes our jobs really easy. We work with frameworks such as S3, Elasticsearch, SQS, databases such as MySQL and Postgre.
What's the tech stack like? It's varied. We still have some legacy stuff that we're working on getting rid of. Our tech stack though is pretty much all in the cloud now. We run on AWS, Amazon Web Services. It makes it more flexible. It means we can create a new application in minutes instead of having to buy a new server, stick it into a rack somewhere. We want to improve our infrastructure all the time, but because it's all very fluid, we can do that.
The tech stack is constantly evolving, so what was current a year ago is no longer current, but we try and stay on top of things. So the current stack that we're working with is React, Redux, Node.js, Elasticsearch.
Well, we work closely with the QAs, with the product owners, the business analysts, other stakeholders as well. Pretty much we concentrate on delivering the projects and feature functionalities, and we work quite close with these teams.
So we work primarily with the back-end devs and the QA team who test our applications, make sure our work is of good enough quality to put out to the public.
I worked on a few interesting projects. One is like an voice app, which I'm currently working on. I worked on the improving the authentication standards for the OPI app backend. Apart from that, I'm also working on a few machine learning and Elasticsearch prediction analysis. So these are some of the cool projects I'm working on.
The thing that I'm most proud of that I've worked on is the thing I'm currently working on, which is a new React Redux application. It's really exciting to work on, and the team are really buying into an idea, so it's a great collaborative effort.
It's a really good environment to work in. I think our colleagues are really great. We help each other and support each other a lot. It's really good, fun environment to work in.
Fun people, interesting environment. The variety, the fact that it's a growing company but still with a startup culture. There's very little hierarchy. I've worked for companies where there are 8 levels of management. In this company, I think I can just about count 3 levels of management.
I started with tradespeople as a senior QA engineer, but then I always had a passion for development. Tradespeople has really been helpful for me, and they have invested on my personal growth as well. And they have accommodated me from a senior QA engineer to a Java backend developer. I mean, I'm really happy about the way it was handled, and I can see that my career is going in the right direction. I'm very happy about it, and I'm thankful to tradespeople.
I think the biggest thing that I enjoy most is the marketplace dynamic. So being able to work on different solutions that are geared towards different users always keeps the work varied.
We're a very close team. We do a lot of pair programming. We're kind of on a big adventure at the minute because the front-end technology has evolved so quickly that we're continually driving the platform forward. So at present we're doing a lot of Node.js development, React development, well, React with Redux, and it's just continually learning every day.